See a problem on average rate of reaction. From the concentration of C4H9Cl, that is butyl chloride, at different times given below, calculate the average rate of the reaction during different time interval of time. See, he given this reaction C4H9Cl plus H2O gives C4H9OH plus HCl. This is hydrolysis of butyl chloride reaction. See, he given concentration of butyl chloride at different time interval in the form of table. See, understand this table. This is concentration of butyl chloride column, and this is time in second column. See, at 0 second concentration of this butyl chloride is 0.100 mole per liter. At 50 second 0.0905 mole per liter. Like that he given at 100 second, 150 second, like that he given. And what he is asking now, you have to calculate average rate during different time interval, that is 0 to 50 what is the average rate, and 50 to 100 what is the average rate, 100 to 150 what is the average rate. Like this during different time interval we have to calculate average rate of the reaction. See how, see here I have taken his given data in the form of table. See, this is a concentration of butyl chloride column, and this is also concentration of butyl chloride column. This is time column, and this is also time column, and this is calculated average rate of reaction column. See, this concentration corresponds to this time T1, and this concentration corresponds to this time T2. See here, at 0 second concentration was 0.100, and at 50 second concentration was 0.0905. Now during this time interval, that is 0 to 50 interval, let's see what is the average rate. I have already calculated. Let's see how it will come. Average rate, I will call this as average rate 1. You know that average rate is change in concentration of reactant, that is 0.0905 minus 0.100 divided by change in time, that is 50 minus 0. That is change in concentration. How you take final in this interval, final concentration minus initial concentration, final concentration minus initial concentration, and change in time, how you will take final time, that 50 minus 0, that is initial time. See, when you subtract and simplify, you will get average rate as minus, this minus sign indicates decrease in concentration of reactant. You will get average rate as 1.9 into 10 to the power minus 4. See here the value 1.9 into 10 to the power minus 4. He given here wrong. See, it has to become minus 4. This, all these values are in terms of 10 to the power minus 4. See, now let's take one more, make it 2, average rate 2. See, this is during this interval, that is 50 to 100 during this interval. Let's see what is average rate. Average rate is change in concentration, that is final minus initial. See, 0.0820 minus 0.0905. Change in time, that is final minus initial, 100 minus 50. When you simplify all these things, you will get like this, and you will finally will get the answer as minus 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 4. See here, 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 4. Like this, average rate will be over a period of time. I think you understand. Average rate is rate over a period of time or over a time interval. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel to get more videos. Like the video, share the video and spread worldwide to help others.